In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Otter AI plan. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, along with a few tips to help you choose the right plan confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Otter.ai. Log in with your usual credentials so you land on your Otter dashboard. If you're already signed in, you can jump straight in from here. Look to the top of the page for your profile icon, typically a small circle with your initials or an avatar. Click that to open the Account menu, then select Account Settings. This takes you to a dedicated page where you can manage your profile, preferences, and billing. Next, open the Plan tab. This section shows your current subscription, your usage, and any available upgrades. It's helpful to glance at your current plan details so you know what's changing. When you're ready, click Upgrade Plan. That button brings up a list of available options, usually including Pro and Business. Take a moment to compare what each plan offers. Pro is great if you need more transcription minutes and a few advanced features for personal or solo use. Business is designed for teams and collaboration, with enhanced sharing and admin controls. Consider your workload, how often you transcribe, and whether you need team features. Many people also weigh monthly versus annual billing. Annual plans often provide a discount if you know you'll use the service long term. Once you've decided, select your plan and click Buy Now. You'll move to a secure checkout page. Enter your payment details carefully and double-check the billing cycle, price, and currency before confirming. It's a good idea to verify that the email shown is the account you intend to upgrade, especially if you use Otter for both personal and work projects. After you confirm payment, Otter processes the upgrade immediately. You'll see a confirmation message, and your account will switch to the new plan right away. Features included in your upgraded plan should become available without any additional steps. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, a quick reload will display your new plan label in the Plan tab. That's all there is to it. You went from logging in to Account Settings to the Plan tab, selected Upgrade Plan, chose the plan that fits your needs, completed checkout, and your account upgraded instantly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the expanded capabilities in your new Otter plan.